in with the Black Mambas here. Esmane overshoots the mark there. Abellana to Balawag, who misses the three-pointer. Mendros underneath, and Mendros opens the scoring today. Rebound, Kaalaman now. Passes to Balawag, that time he passes to Esmane, who gets the floater. 4-0 is our score. Mid-range jumper, another miss there for Balante. 0 for 2 so far for Balante. Mendros bringing down the basketball for the Black Mambas. He swings it to Balawag, who will shoot another 3, and that time J.M. Balawag connects all the way, but he misses the layup. Andrew with the rebound. Bounce pass to Villados. What a pass from Balante there. Another air ball attempt there. Mendros with a miss. Villados with the basketball for the Wolves. He will bring it down himself. Villados loses the basketball. He gets blocked, but his persistence paid off there. Villados with the basket. Far from Balawag, but he has missed 3 already. Alex to Andrew. He gets it back. He drives inside. Hands it off to Balante. Nothing but net for Balante. 7-6 now. Pass to Andrew. Late challenge there for Abellana. It's short. Jez Kaalaman. Forward pass to JC Esmane with the fast break conversion there. Balante hasn't made a three-pointer yet. His team's down by 3. Kaalaman now with the basketball for the Black Mambas. Hesitation. Passes it to Balawag, who puts it up. And Balawag with the basket underneath there. Balawag, shot fake. Passes it to Bautista. Shoots the 3. In and out. Jez Kaalaman offensive rebound and a putback. Balante, corner 3, nothing but net from 3 there for Balante. Tayo mga kaibigan, 13-13, 30 seconds remaining here in the first. Balawag gets away from the defense, double pump, and Balawag, strong finish there. Esmane swishes that jumper from the right. And nothing but net there for Balante. Goes inside, he loses the basketball. Another steal here for the Wolves, and Alex completes that fast break. Back-to-back finishes here for Alex to give his team a 3-point lead. Alex or Villados will shoot the 3. Too strong. Kaalaman with the basketball. Passes it to Balawag. Stop and pop from 3 for J.M. Balawag. Up top here, Andrew will shoot the 3. Air ball. Kaalaman saves that basketball to Balawag. And Balawag finishes the layup. Isa pa. Balante sinks that three-pointer. Andrew catch and shoot from 3, and nothing but net. 1:37 remaining here. Alex kick out pass to Villados. Back to Alex. He puts it up, and it goes in for Alex. A deep three-pointer for Balante. Nothing but net. That was all the way from Red Deer, Alberta. The Wolves again playing with just 4 guys, but Mendros with the response. He gets a steal. To Kaalaman, shot fake. And Kaalaman finishes that one. We're tied at 37 now. Dribbling that basketball against Kaalaman. He hands it off to Balante, who's been hot from 3 here. Air ball. Villados cleans that up with that putback. Mendros now will shoot the 3 from the left-hand side. He misses. Kaalaman with the rebound again, and his putback is good. Kaalaman, back-to-back baskets here. Mendros leading this 3-on-1 fast break. Mendros goes all the way and he finishes it. There. Villados. Bounce pass to Alex. Alex straight away 3 and it's nothing but net there for Alex. Bowling. Sidestep. What a move for Bowling there. Using that sidestep to get away from the defense. And Alex to Andrew. Wide open 3-pointer. Nothing but net. Balante. Against this defense by Bowling. Balante using his body there, and the veteran scores one over the young Bowling. Pointer here, in and out. And Villados goes inside, and it counts for Villados plus a foul here. He misses the bonus free throw though. Balawag passes it to Kaalaman. Good pass from Balawag. And Kaalaman finishes that. Esmane passes it to Kaalaman. And Kaalaman continues to do some damage underneath here for the Black Mambas. Balawag shoots the 3 and Balawag will miss. Villados to Balante. He's been hot. He will keep shooting and he will keep making. Balante there with that 3-point make. Alex shoot from 3 and will make from 3 right in front of the defense there of JM Balawag. 5 now, 1:57 remaining. Esmane to Balawag. Balawag will answer for the Black Mambas. Balante off to the right that time. Balawag stop and pop from 3. Nothing but net for J. Mendros misses that. Undergo stab. Mendros bounce pass to Bautista, and Bautista with an easy basket under rebound. Balawag going for a triple-double today, but they cannot get a basket that time. Andrew wide open layup is good for Andrew. Crossover move here for JM Balawag. He stops off the glass too strong. He gets his own rebound. He puts it up. And Balawag. Andrew met by 2 defenders here. Splits the defenders. Andrew sidestep. He puts it up. Basket count. Has 31 points, 23 rebounds, 4 assists. Make that 5 assists. 5 assists shy from a trip. Alex right down the gut of the defense, and Alex converts. He hands it off to Villados. The reverse layup doesn't go in. He gets it back. Shot fake. He puts it up, and it goes in for Villados. 1:42 remaining in this game. 73-68. Esmane mid-range is good, and that's another assist for JM Balawag. It's got 6. The ball back. And JM Balawag with the block there. Andrew, corner 3 to beat the buzzer. And Andrew cuts the deficit to 4 here.